Patin Yasiasa. NDC phone, Yambet mom, Galamsey, Yambet Cow.
Wow, party now.
Abuza from Mamu Namakwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm on this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major so TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major so. You need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana phone na hwato e ko amamo we die e dey to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda hwa ho be chiro pa the moment abe hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say Atigya retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Ni enko ko video bi mra. Na video no yeko heba we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Momi enko mra sisi.
Kodu ane patin Yasiasa. NDC phone, Yambet mom, Galamsey, Yambet Cow.
Wow, party now, boom, Dian.
Kodu Yambet Cow, because I don't start tini ubiso, say enyano. Yen try home you, universe come for Honcho. What can we be at Jed's Ajiwi and ye? And can pensu dear, Kadebachin is where Galamsey, ye Yinama, where Galamsey, ye Yinama. And then as you winning. And on the other hand, I'm saying 2023-24 airborne. Somewhere in a way. Go away. And say, my party for Montias or Montini, I buy bien well back, 2016. Edma Ben Yanye. And maybe I'm so Ghana for any no. Yamaya cotton few.
Yeah.
MP before buy, dear no man farmer. And it may be on Mokanya, on the Monsat years. One buy almost some bay and you paid for the idea. I'm on and name people before. Oh, baby, I could do. And you're here the same thing about you see, it's not a name of fra or Baba you, what's your boy?
Katamsin na tonam garra swanama. How will I keep the boy to your letter? You knew that?
Bribiane and there was a way. Need to be a DB a coach and Sanko fan farmer. You visit Nelson Mandela or what they moved 20 something years. I will buy our server one time or say a fence, a table in Becky Brown. Who's in it? There was a good reason. Tama on deno, and I'll bois in Chima a prepare one more air day. Ye, tama wire day, why am I?
But some party move on Gophobia or my emre into still a more flag bearer.
Into a buy, no, and Mama Bands, so here. Or pick young ones and go. Just to give party, hope and future.
Right.
And another who dino, what come boom comunifa, a do moko, more exposure. This time no I in a bad day, a baby. Was 4 years you now a cotan chaya. Still a party no where your penny womb. Sir, and then I would jaho a diabwa party no. There be a party no, you be calling music. No, but can be a bad day, a bayaduma.
Elembena wo ka ho asem na wo si wadi MPP for ho ya no NDC buy no obesi biese ho NDC buy power no wa ba be kukuru elembe no wa ba be kukuru hospital die si ho nti sa hospital die si elembe no sa hospital no one esi sa hospital no one esi mi bisanze my hene one esi sa hospital elembe na wo sa agenda 111 na Kufuor ensi hospital ensi ho no sa hospital say yaye no government hospital at elembe no sa hospital infa na esi wo hene sa wo hene wo wukurum no kasase ya ebeside na wukuru no atumpon ohene esese ujira ne nanso na impuntuo ba no se wo pese impuntuo ba tama na MPP so no ane na nka esese wo ye bibi wo fight se impuntuo beba wo krom enya afi ya MPP afiri so no ena wo ba beka ho asem wo beka ho asem ade na be se wo yo ohene na nka wo ye serious ohene ana na nka wo ye serious se wo pese impuntuo eba wo krom ana wasase so a na nka mene ma MPP so no ena nka sese ye hu seriousness na nya afi na MPP afiri so na wo ba be complaini yeyi ana afie na wo ba be complaini wo complaini ayeden what na ho amade na ase ya wie ma nkofo na ade na agiegu afie na wo ba be ka ho asam wo be ka ho asam na enye den wo ba be ka ho asam na ayeden
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi die ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we ya futuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia be se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awo no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi nka yentimi enka no se de nka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne se bi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho ye yesre ya na video ni ye hwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten enra me ye video ba akoma na eno ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na hokwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshona baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad sanya wa de wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Just hospital and it goes on and no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abaya. This is a kind of country that was I would to me say, "Oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort." Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the other hospitals. Most of my comfort. A comfort must facilitate me on the fund free seniors. Most of my comfort. You see, I ain't gonna for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to me and call I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen in a home. Obian can't to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you will know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy Bibi Nina said, "Ye be a kitting, invest we want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk." And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open kitting. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open kitting. Is any one day? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na warn you, say me na me go catch you by John Dramani man, so all members come to do to one. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say yeah, most there be. Digitalization and to kinky, it's more kinky sika. It's a memo papa na ba, omo mamo kinky, and memo other than mokem. You come here. And you John Dramani mama could not if I say and can form Gafon catch up say, "Oh, Gafon, oh, now what they are kinky and we have utilization here." And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a yoke for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Films, hey,
Remona Chapa ya hyping say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onye Juma order.
Onye Juma or da. And Onye Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.